so thankful at Hospice of the Bluegrass to have had the opportunity to work with the couriers from the Frontier Nursing Courier Program, because what it has enabled us to do is to bring couriers from a wide variety of backgrounds into the hospice world, and to get to be able to see hospice from the patient perspective as well as the inside perspective, where they're getting to see the ins and outs, they're getting to see pharmacy, they're getting to see equipment, they're getting to see transitional programs, they're getting to see all of the different things that hospice encompasses, so that they can then go back and educate other people about what's happening in the hospice world, and what a difference it may be from what they originally think a hospice program looks like to what it really entails. So we're thankful to get to have those people to be with us, and then have the opportunity to kind of plant a seed there with them that hopefully they can take forward into whatever area that they choose in their life and in their career. There's so much time and opportunity here to learn culture, to learn customs, to learn much more than a textbook could ever teach someone, just about living. If there's one thing that Appalachian people do well, it's just living and surviving and thriving amidst, hard times, amidst difficult, job situations where there's not much employment opportunity. Amidst all of that, we still have an amazing group of people who know how to live life every day. And that kind of translates into the hospice world as well. And so I think there's lots of room for personal growth on that level, but then there's also just getting to see how things work in the real world. I think sometimes we set lofty goals for ourselves. I know I did when I was young, that maybe by becoming a courier they may be able to find what suits them much more quickly than I did. We love having students. We love having the opportunity to also glean from you. There's not a courier that we've had that hasn't left their mark as well. What we teach here is relationship, and that's what we teach, the diversity and the individuality of relationship. And what I mean by that is everybody has a story, and everybody has the right to share that story. And so whether you are the patient, whether you're the caregiver, or whether you're the courier, you have a right to your story. And what is so amazing to see is when the courier actually gets to connect with the patient or with the caregiver, and they're actually able to share those personal stories and form a relationship and a bond. That is the nuts and bolts of what hospice is.